Hey guys, it's Lauren Z, and I wanted to share with you a super easy, fast juice recipe that's gonna boost your metabolism, help you start shedding the pounds without going crazy in the gym. So this actual juice recipe is one of mine and Jason's signature drinks. It's called Clean Warrior. All you're gonna need, all you're gonna need is a full head of kale, full head of celery, a full cucumber, 3 apples, a whole lemon, and about a thumbful of ginger, or in today's case, we are gonna do turmeric. So let's start juicing. Quick tip is I love having a little strainer over my juice container because the less foam, the better the juice is gonna taste. Right, Nicola?
Yep.
All right, you can turn it back on. All right, so we've got all the ingredients for this particular juice. This recipe is actually only good for one person, so if you have a bigger family like me, 2 kids and a husband, you might want to triple or quadruple the recipe. So let's see how Nicola likes the taste. Everyone's different. I know some kids are little picky eaters or think drinking green is gross, but Nicola, you're smart. You think drinking green juice is good?
Yeah.
Alrighty. There is a full PDF recipe to this Clean Warrior at 3 Days to Forever Fit, which is basically a jumpstart program that Jason and I have created to help you guys start losing weight more naturally, more easier by remineralizing your body versus other conventional means of like diet pills or surgery or crazy, keto diets, crazy workouts, CrossFit. I mean, I'm not about that. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've got kids, and I already have like enough work to do. I don't want to force myself to commit to some crazy diet or some crazy workout. All right, here, baby. You can try it. Yeah. Hold it up. Hold it with 2 hands. Be honest. What does that mean?
It's delicious.
The one thing it needs is ice. It is hotter than the devil's armpit out here. I heard that quote somewhere else. But yeah, it's really warm out here in SoCal, so I need to get some ice, but other than that, here's your Clean Warrior. Start drinking it, start losing weight, start feeling good in yourself, getting confident. If you want the free program to jumpstart your weight loss and keep it off sustainably without crazy workouts or crazy dieting, then go to 3daystoforeverfit.com to get your free access now. Might have a green lip. Okay guys, if you want to get your hands on the Clean Warrior recipe, just go to 3daystoforeverfit.com. There you will have free access to 3 days grocery guide, meal plan, recipes, easy to do 20-minute workout at home, and lastly, a bonus feature. Jason and I created actual video tutorials for all of the above, and it's totally free. We want to help you guys start remineralizing your body, losing weight, and taking back your health.